like I'm the plug and you don't know. But why? I do these things and I don't know. Just trying to go and prove myself to be one of the best I can. Yeah, I wouldn't wanna let you down. I care about the things you said. It's just that I don't see myself. Keep in mind I got longevity days now.
What's going on, NAF gang? It's the NAF fam back with another video. If this is your first time tuning in, go ahead and smash the subscribe button and don't forget to leave a like, a comment, and smash that bell so you can get a notification every time we got a new banger dropping, you guys. And today we're back with another video, another vlog. This vlog is actually a continuation from yesterday's vlog, so just in case you haven't seen it, go back to yesterday's video and check it out, because we have a big winter storm coming in. It started snowing. It went from 0 to 100 real quick, and yeah, it's going down outside right now. And I'm just going to show you this because it's actually the same day, but by the time you see this video, it's the next day. So we're making 2 vlogs in one day, but we're starting this vlog before we go to bed. It's actually 8 p.m. right now, but we're going outside again. Let me show you why. Look at that snow right there. It's super windy. It doesn't look that bad here in the backyard, but once we go out to the front, we're going to feel that wind. And yeah, we're about to have some fun. We got Tavy over here already. He's excited to go outside, but I don't think we're going to stay out there long though. That's because of the snow and the clouds. It looks weird. We're about to get dressed so we can go outside. We're not going to stay out there that long because it is freezing, it's windy, and we're not gonna last long out there. But we're just gonna go and have some fun. But we're gonna have a whole lot more fun tomorrow during the day. But for now, we're gonna go and check it out, right? Yeet. All right, let's not waste any more time. Let's go. Dressed? Are y'all ready to go out there? Yep. Oh, wait, my gloves. I need them. It's cold. My car is covered.
Oh my god.
Wow.
Your car is the same color as the snow.
Don't fall. So glittery out here. Look at Nana. They are drawing in the snow on my car. It looks like a bean. All the snow that there is, and y'all gotta mess with my car. Might as well just take it off just in case. Maybe I have to go somewhere tomorrow. I shouldn't. By the time we wake up, everything that you moved is going to be covered again. Mm-hmm. Wow. Look at this. Woo. Look at you, Nana. You can't look inside my car?
No, it's so dark. Oh, now I can see.
Oh, I see you taking the snow off.
Yeah.
Yeah, take it off the windshield too.
Oh, it's ice.
Oh God, look at your gloves.
There's ice on it. I can feel it.
It'll be back tomorrow by the time we wake up. Look at Nana all the way over there. You didn't feel like riding your scooter, Trey? Oh my God. Be careful.
It was like sliding everywhere.
Yeah.
If I ride it, then I'm gonna slip and bust my head.
Yeah. I definitely don't feel like riding to the.
It was sliding everywhere.
You did this?
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah, I definitely don't feel like going to the ER. Whoa. It is slippery.
Hey, let's look for some ice.
Just be careful by the cars. Don't fall. I think Trey's headed to the playground. Trey, I think it's a little bit too dark over there. We can go look. But it's dark. Hopefully we won't see a bear.
Imagine a polar bear was there.
A polar bear? Well, I know that's not gonna happen.
Well, imagine.
That would be crazy. We got some real snow. You can't even see me anymore now. We are back at the park where we were in the last vlog. As you can see, it's all the way covered now. You made a snow angel. Look at it. Uh-oh. It's going down out here. You okay? There's still some. It's probably ice. Slippery.
It's a slide,
Mm-hmm. Uh-oh, be careful, don't fall. Everything turned into ice.
I want to look for some spots that are covered in snow.
I mean, everything's covered in snow. What do you mean?
Like,
You don't even know what you mean. Oh, you alright? You making a snow angel? Kids are over here now. Trey's running around all the way in the back. I don't know what he's doing. He's like running along the forest. I don't know how he's not scared. It's pitch black. Trey, what are you doing over there? What are you doing all the way in the dark? Hopefully you won't run into a bear. Let's just stay by the light. Yeah, having fun?
I'll eat snow for 1 cent.
You eat snow for 1 cent? That's cheap. Go for it. It's fresh powder. Oh man, you're going to be frozen. I hope we don't wake up sick now. It looks like you have a beard. Little Santa Claus. There goes Trey. Anybody frozen yet? I'm cold.
It's a snow store. If you want snowballs, then you have to come here.
Ooh, you're making a snow store.
Who wants to go to my snow store?
Everybody. Everybody has to pass your snow store to pass this little bridge.
Come to my snow store.
Our house is right there. Walking back, warm up. I'm probably going to make some hot chocolate. Now you guys can see me. Look at this. I really look like an old lady. That's because I have a scarf on, or I had a scarf on. Yes, and I took it off because my ears are cold. I forgot my earmuffs at the house. But anyways, we're going in.
The next day.
We are back at it. Tiana actually been out here for the past 10-15 minutes, and now me and Tavian are headed to her. We're actually just going right behind the house for now. I think she's building a snowman. I don't know, but as you guys can see, it is snowing hard right now.
So fuzzy.
Yeah, we can barely see. This is truly winter wonderland now, right by the house, so that's pretty cool. It's starting to stick onto the ground again.
You can see it on the street.
Yeah, in last night's video, you guys saw it was laying all over the ground, and what was laying on the concrete, like on the sidewalk behind me, kind of melted throughout the day. But now it's going back to getting covered. But there goes Tiana. Did you make a snowman? Oh, she's over there eating snow. Tavian brought Trey's snow scooter out. So we got a few little hills right here. He can try them out. Oh, he still got it. Look at your sled, it's already snow on it. Uh-oh, be careful. Oh, I knew that was coming.
It's fun.
It's fun?
You have to try not to fall off.
All right, try. Oh, at least the ground is covered in snow, so you're not gonna hurt yourself, and you're bundled up like an Eskimo. Oh my God. Look at Tavy. Woohoo! Maybe right here. Well, it's not really that steep. Or you gotta go back there by the fence, maybe. I don't know. Look at Nana. You're about to go down that hill in a minute. You got to do it in the same spot as earlier, Nana. There's a bench for me. Perfect. I'm about to sit down right here. Clear it up a little bit. This is ice. This is my spot. Uh-oh. Look at Nana, Tavy. She's just laying there eating snow. Look at what it looks like behind me. It kind of looks like I'm in the middle of nowhere. If you wouldn't see the sidewalk right here, I'm going to wait until it's covered. And then it's like, where am I? Make a snow angel.
Make a snow angel?
Yeah. Oh my God. I wish I would have got Nana on camera just now. I see you, Tavy. You gonna go again? All right, go.
There's snow on my face.
Yeah, are you gonna wipe it off? No? You wanna keep the snow in your face? Now you got more snow in your face. All right, you ready? Woo! Oh! You okay? Don't lean forward with it. Tavy, how do you do it with that? Look at what she's doing. You must not be cold, Nana. You're bundled up good. Where are you? Oh, in there. Uh-huh. See? It almost looks like we're on Mount Rainier again. Oh. Are you cold yet, Nana?
You have to count to 30, and whoever makes the biggest snowball.
Okay, in 30 seconds.
Tavy,
Nana wants to do a challenge, Tavy.
I got one.
Yeah? Let me see. Yep, you got one from your shoe.
Like a snowflake.
A shoe snowflake. They want me to count to 30 and see who has the biggest snowball within 30 seconds. But they need a spot first. All right, I'm gonna count to 3 first, okay? 1, 2, 3, go. Time's up. Show me your snowballs. Tavy's is right here. And Nana's is right there.
I'm patting it.
Hold on, let me go look. Who has the bigger snowball? This is kind of like a snow hill. All right, so this is Nana's. And now we're gonna go look at Tavy's. No more touching, Tavy. You're cheating over there. Mm-hmm. Let me see. Oh, it looks like Tavy's is bigger. But yeah, almost got the same size though. That was really close. Tavy's was bigger. What are you doing?
Sleeping. It's a pillow.
Oh my God, it's a pillow. Who can stand on that little round sled the longest? Who's starting? You? Oh, you putting snow on it. Okay. That's supposed to make it harder?
Yes.
All right.
Tavy's first.
Tavy first. But you're gonna have to put a bunch of snow on there for you too. No, yes you are. She's trying to make you lose, Tavy. All right, let's see. Well, I know who can stay on there longer. Okay. Oh, 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 oh. Nana's putting more and more snow on there. Nana, he's been on there for a while now. Do you think you can beat him?
Let me just try already.
Yeah, let her try because you're doing good. I think Nana's shoes are slippier. So slippier? Is that a word, Toby?
What?
Nana's shoes are slippier?
Slippery.
You're not doing it how you were doing it earlier, Nana. That's not fair. Put some snow on there, Toby.
You're supposed to go like this.
More and more, Toby. Okay, I guess both of you guys win. You both stay up there long. The winner is Tiana and Tavy. Alright, so I'm gonna sit down for a minute. As you guys can see, it's starting to get dark. But we're right by the house, so it doesn't really matter. I'm going to make some hot chocolate for the kids once we get back in. I don't think they're going to last for too much longer because it's really cold. And it's still snowing, and it's actually supposed to stay like this through Sunday, and it's Friday right now, so we got a long way of this winter storm to go. As long as we're not going to lose power, it's all good, because it would be cold as heck. Guys, this is no joke right now. It's freezing. It's cold as hell. I have no other words for this. So here we are back to the park because Tiana is not done playing. She's up there. You can't get up? It's too slippery? Oh God. Yeah, just hold on to the side now. Come on now. Ooh! It sounded like you were sliding over some ice. So this weather right now is really no joke. It's super cold right now. I know my face is really red. You probably can't see it. But Tiana is all over the place. But she's dressed like an Eskimo. She can stay out here that long. But not me. 5 more minutes, okay? She said okay. Hopefully I'm not frozen alive at that point. About 3 minutes passed. And she still doesn't have enough. You having a blast, Nana? Uh-oh. You having fun?
Yeah.
Oh God. Are you turning into a snow girl now?
Yeah.
Oh man. Yeah.
I'm on stop.
We're supposed to be leaving now. 2 more minutes.
Push me.
Push you? Okay.
And I take a nap.
You taking a nap? Oh, you're gonna have to take that nap at home because if you're taking a nap here, I'm freezing to death. For real now. I think I'm getting frostbites on my hands with gloves on. Are you coming?
No.
All right, we're gonna wait for it to stop spinning and we really have to go.
Okay, we're gonna wait.
Oh my God. So Tiana finally gave in. She's over there dragging her little sled. We're headed home. I can't wait to take these wet, cold clothes off. But we have a whole nother day tomorrow.
Go in a pool or go in a snow pool.
I'd rather go into the pool, Nana.
Snow pool.
Snow pool? Oh God, that's cold. What are we about to have, Nana?
Hot chocolate.
That's right. This is what it looks like this morning. That is insane, you guys. Here goes the front. Look at my car. We are stuck, you guys. You can't even see the road. This is a few inches thick. We got a lot of work to do. So in the meantime, make sure you smash that subscribe button to see what happens in the next video. See ya!